Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Audio Segmentation in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Audio segmentation is the process of dividing an audio signal into distinct segments based on certain characteristics or features. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of audio segmentation in Python using the Librosa library. Librosa is a powerful library for audio and music analysis that provides tools for working with audio data. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install the required libraries using the following command. Code example. We will use a simple example to demonstrate audio segmentation. In this example, we will load an audio file, visualize the waveform, and perform segmentation based on amplitude. Explanation. Load_an_plot_audio, this function loads an audio file using Librosa and plots the waveform using matplotlib. Simple_segmentation, this function performs a simple segmentation based on amplitude threshold. It identifies segments where the absolute amplitude exceeds a specified threshold and visualizes the segmented waveform. Replace path/to/your/audio/file.wave with the actual path to your audio file. You can adjust the threshold parameter in the simple_segmentation function based on your specific use case. Conclusion. Audio segmentation is a crucial step in various audio processing tasks. This tutorial provides a basic example using Librosa in Python, but there are more advanced techniques and features you can explore based on your specific requirements. Experiment with different parameters and explore additional libraries for more sophisticated audio segmentation approaches. ChatGPT.